Today we are going to focus on three separate story elements: point of view, characterization, and theme. First up, we're going to talk about point of view. Point of view is the position the story is written in. And there are two main types that we will discuss this year: first person and third person. First person point of view is when the story is told by the character's point of view. You'll see pronouns being used: I, me, myself. When third person point of view is being used, that is when the story is told by a narrator, and the pronouns used there will be he, she, him, her, or names. To dive a little bit deeper into third person point of view, which is when the story is told by a narrator, there are two types of third person point of view that we will discuss. There's third person omniscient and third person limited. When the story is told in third person omniscient, the story is still told in third person point of view using the pronouns he, she, him, or her, but it also provides multiple characters' feelings, emotions, and experiences. This gives you multiple perspectives throughout the story. When the story is told in third person limited, the story is told in third person point of view using the same pronouns he, she, him, or her, but it's only limited to one character's feelings, emotions, and experience, which only provides one perspective throughout the story. Next up, we're going to talk about characterization. Characterization is how a character is created and developed in a story. And there are two types of ways an author will describe a character: either directly or explicitly, or indirectly and implicitly. For explicit or direct characterization, that is when the author explicitly describes a character in the story. When an author indirectly or implicitly describes a character, that is when the audience must determine who the character is based on actions, dialogue, and their inner dialogue. And last up is theme. Theme is the moral or lesson of the story. We don't want to get it confused with main idea, because theme is more of an underlying message the author is wanting us to grasp based on the story elements that we find in the story.